Hello everyone, today in this video we will talk about Confucius Institutes Scholarship. We will talk who is eligible for that scholarship and what is the coverage of that scholarship, which institutes, universities in China are offering Confucius Institute Scholarship. So let's start. We'll go to website campus China.org, and here come to scholarships and then Confucius Institute scholarships. After you click here, you can see that these institutes, China University of Petroleum Beijing is offering that scholarship. East China Normal University is offering that scholarship, and Shandong University. So you can see all these universities are offering Confucius Institute scholarship. So let's start. China University of Petroleum Confucius Institute Scholarship. View more, we can learn more about that. China University of Petroleum Confucius Scholarship. In order to support development of Confucius Institute, facilitate Chinese language promotion and Chinese culture transmission in the world, cultivate qualified. So that they are saying the reasons like why they are offering this scholarship, just to promote the Chinese language and Chinese culture around the world. So that's why they are offering Confucius Institute scholarship. The scholarship categories are scholarship for one academic year study and scholarship. It can be offered for 1 year and for 1 semester. If you are okay, the scholarship coverage is Confucius Institute Scholarship provides full coverage on tuition fee, accommodation, and living allowance, comprehensive medical insurance. Living allowance is granted by the host institution on monthly basis. Allowance criteria per person are 1 academic year, 1 semester study. So 2500 RMB per month they will provide you the scholarship. With tuition fee will be they will also provide tuition fee, accommodation and health insurance, and 2500 RMB per month. Eligible courses: Chinese language you can learn here, and international Chinese language education. 1 year, and for masters you can learn these courses in this scholarship. Application requirements: application is open to applicant who own a non-Chinese citizenship. You should not be Chinese and aged between 16 to 35 years. So you should be between 16 to 35 years old, in good health. Applicant is working in a Chinese language teaching position shall not exceed the limit of 45. Undergraduate students shall not exceed the limit of 20. Okay. A scholarship for 1 academic year. So they are now briefly explain about 1 academic year and 1 semester. So this category provides sponsorship for 11 months. So you will have the scholarship in 1 year. Like they will not provide you the scholarship for 12th month. You can receive the scholarship in 1 year, about 11 months. Application is open to Confucius Institute classroom student or overseas Chinese teachers, Chinese language major student, and excellent performance in HSK test. International student who are studying in China, or if you are already studying in China, you are not eligible for that scholarship. They are also, applicant should have minimum, so you should have HSK, and these are the HSK scores. Like in HSK 3 you should have at least 180. Similarly they are asking about other HSK as well. Scholarship for 1 semester study student. So if you are applying for 1 semester, then you can receive the scholarship for 5 months, and if you are applying for 1 year, then you can receive the scholarship for 11 months. This is the procedure how you can apply. For application, please log in to the Confucius Institute Scholarship. So you need to log in here, register, and then complete your application and upload the required documents. application form and passport. You need to upload HSK, notarized copies of higher degree certificate and transcript, certificate of Chinese competition you participated, and teacher of Chinese language must submit a certificate from their institute. And if you have any question, you can contact here. This is the phone number, email address. Here you can register and log in and submit your application. So you can application online, and here you should register, log in and submit your application. Best of luck. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Subscribe, like and share, guys, please. Thank you so much. Take care.